What's going on YouTube? Y'all already know who and what it is. It is your boy, none other than Sauce AP 2K, you know, Sauce Zone Gaming, and your boy AP Whips. We back at it yet again with another video, you know, car channel. We're gonna go wash up like we always do, but I ain't gonna bring y'all along for that boring thing. You know, y'all just go ahead and get it done. Y'all see grandson in the back. Can y'all see him? Yeah, that's him in the back. He finally crossed over. He finally made that decision, and he finally crossed over. Y'all probably wonder, what do you mean crossed over? What decision did he make? I'm gonna let him tell you. Before I let him tell you, y'all already know what we gotta do. We always gotta wake up and smell the exhaust. That bad boy always loud. Can y'all even hear me talking? Alright, y'all. Yo, grandson, tell him what you're about to do.
I'm about to go get a PlayStation 5.
And what you doing all 2K25?
Nothing.
Exactly, nothing. Y'all stay tuned for them videos, because that's what he gonna do. Nothing. Both best friend. She in the car with us. So we about to, first we're gonna go wash up. Then I'm about to go on up here and slide up here to Olympia Fields, because they the only ones that got it. Go ahead and go pick it up. And see what's popping from there. Stay with us. So y'all, we about to slide on up, y'all.
Do the roar.
No, I only like doing the roar when I'm in the tunnel.
Do it.
When I do the roar and in the tunnel, you get to hear it more loud. You get to hear that beast come out.
Well, I said do the roar.
We're going down here.
Next time, look, I come over here and
Oh, police. I don't think you go to jail for doing the roar.
Huh?
You can go to jail for speed. Get a ticket at least for that, but I don't think you can go to jail for doing the roar.
Yeah, but guess what? Guess what? Next
What?
time, Lakaya, in your car, you should do it.
Maybe next time. I'm thinking about doing that. How's my driving, y'all? Can I drive?
Yeah!
Am I driving pretty good?
Yeah.
Man, I ain't posted a video in a long time, you know what I'm saying? I apologize for that, y'all, because, you know, money been, you know, real tight lately, so I haven't been able to do anything special to the whip. Uh-oh, police. See? Can't do the roar. But yeah, money's been kind of tight, so I haven't been able to, you know, put any little decals or any effects. Shout out to Slot Boy. I don't know if y'all follow him over there, but he put some lights on the front of his Challenger. Now you can change the color of the front of the lights with his phone. That's slick right there. That's something I might want to try and do later on down the road. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, look at the Lambo. Oh no, that's a Corvette. Them Lambos and Corvettes be looking the same, I swear to God. Yeah, but yeah, what I did was I priced, I looked up on my Instagram and I priced this guy, he do vinyls on the side of the car. You know how everybody got the Tri-Call, they got the Hellcat on the side, some of them, the Scat Packs got the Bees on the side. Well, I priced him and I asked him, I say, well, how much do you charge? And come on, y'all, I mean, I understand the sticker is big and everything, and you just pay, basically doing what I did with the Superman emblems, y'all, putting it on the side of the car. The man said, what the hell? Is they after him? Better get out the way, boy. But the man he said $550. I'm like, bro, whoa. I ain't asking you to put an engine in the market or a supercharger on it. I just wanted some cool decals on the side. He said $550. I'm like, no, bro. No. $250 at the most just to put some decals on the side of the whip, man. I mean, that's it. They only stickers, man. He act like I asked him to wrap the car or something like that. So I'm just keep looking, keep shopping around till I can find somebody with a decent price. You know what I'm saying? But that's just crazy though. $550 for some just to put some decals on the side. Y'all see the Challenger right there? That's V6. V6 or not, you know what I'm saying? If it look good, I'm I'm gonna let know it look good, man. That one, you know, they look good. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get my boy Jay up on here. Jay, when you gonna bring the dart through, man? Gotta slide the dart on through so we can throw up on the channel before you get rid of it. Oh, here go one right here. We gotta throw the dart up on the channel, man. I know you done did some things to it. I know you done did some things to it. I'm kinda hungry. Come on, did you eat your nachos? I'm gonna eat her nachos when we get back, y'all. I'm not gonna eat her nachos.
Because they was kind of spicy.
Spicy is my middle name. No, it ain't. It's really Lamont. All right, y'all. We better slide up here. Not yet. Cause they gotta give me a air freshener. About to slide through it, y'all.
No, I just don't want to take a shower in here.
Oh my God. Nervous, y'all. She nervous.
Hey, I'm never nervous.
Normally I don't go through these, but these are the cheapest ones to go through. It ain't nothing cheaper than doing it yourself. Like I said, I just paid $5 for this one. Remember, we spent $6 for last time we did it. Feel they beating the hell out my car.
Imagine it rained again or a bird pooped on your car.
You know, I always have
That wouldn't be funny.
Get stuck in my head.
Stuck in a car wash? I don't know why. This is fun. All right, gang. Hey, look. Now we gotta stop, make an extra stop because my front plate came off.
You have to cover that thing.
Yeah, they don't get all the numbers in. I wish somebody would, you know, look for my plates. Anyway, it's a shop up here. I want to know if they got these front brackets that I can put on here and just keep them up there. And I ain't got to keep worrying about going through this, because this is like the second or third time that this has happened. So we're going to slide up here, see if they got them. Then after that, head on to the store, the original store we were supposed to go to. Oh, jeez. All right, y'all, we finally made it up here. We finally up here. Let's go on up in here, make this transaction. So I got the majority of them bugs though.
The majority?
They itty bitty bugs, so sometimes it's hard to see.
How you guys doing today?
All right, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Good.
All activities are being monitored and recorded for your safety and protection. Thank you.
I called in the other day because I had bought a digital slim PS5, and they said it would be ready for pickup.
Yeah. Online order?
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let me.
That thing was most likely ready an hour after you ordered it.
Hey, you know what? I had went to work the
I
next
got it ready
day.
Yesterday in the morning. That's
Yeah.
all.
Let's see.
Flex screen too? Yeah. Just research it.
Updates. Where is it?
We gotta restart our computers real quick.
Mom, what should we get? Oh, look at these. Hello Kitty here says. Those are cute. $119. Yeah, they stay cute.
You go, sir?
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
All right, so this.
Mark it off in a second. Do something else.
Oh, okay, cool.
And I have this.
Gotcha.
From us, when you want to trade it in.
Hold on, let me put my ID and stuff up. No problem.
Get
Here.
the system plugged up, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Any issues with the system at all, feel free to let us know. Because you can bring back, we'll swap it out with working one again.
All right, gotcha.
If you have any.
Okay, appreciate it. Thanks. All right, y'all. He got his digital slim PS5.
Oh, Xbox.
Yeah, right.
Run on it and break your board.
He got his digital. Look at him. That's the box they put it in. I guess we're gonna go to the crib and unbox it, y'all. I'll catch y'all at the crib. What's up, y'all? Trying to get a little crate before we take it in. Check it out. These cars wasn't in my way before I punch it. But I don't want to go past our stop. You know? No, not everybody. I swear, I'll be wanting to be great, but they holding me back. Oh, look, my exit coming up, though. Let me get off my 147. You sleepy? Tired? Something wrong with you. You sure? Until we continue, y'all. What's up, y'all? We are back. We done did a whole lot of running around today. For us, it was long. For y'all, it was short. You know what I'm saying? But we went up there, picked it up. Now we back in the crib, and guess what? He finna open it up. We're gonna make sure everything that needs to be is in there. Y'all see my beauty right there. Yeah, that's the original. Well, it's not the original. That's a trade-in from the other one. Background, game room, gang in the building. All these lights, just lights everywhere. Look, I got my grandbabies on the wall. It's just everywhere. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, so when we open it up, we're gonna open it up.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here.
On the floor.
What we got? What you pulling out first?
And we got the controller.
Oh yeah. Does it work? Let me see.
Ah, yeah, it worked.
Oh yeah.
I had to put that voice.
Ooh, it ain't even broke in. You still
It ain't broke in.
Oh no, yeah. Yeah, it ain't even broke in.
What's this? The HDMI?
What we got
You wanna
there?
hold this? Nah, I got
We got the HDMI cord and
the power cord.
and the
Yeah,
power cord.
yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Grand finale, y'all. Here you go. Ooh. That thing is small and slim.
Slim.
Don't drop it, nigga.
Oh.
Jeez Louise.
Oh yeah, this is
Good at top.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Y'all see PS, PlayStation. Yes, sir. So we had to make sure you got all the cords and stuff in there. So you do got all the cords and stuff there. I believe you just need to wipe it off a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. Money, show on the cord.
It's right here.
So we got the power cord. They gave him an HDMI cord and a charge cord too. So when you get ready to link the controller to it, it should already be linked unless they put a new controller in here. You know what I'm saying? But there it is, y'all. That's the digital. That's
Nah,
the
I bet
disc.
you won't get that away.
Yep. Oh, no, you ain't.
Nah, I ain't giving this one.
I know. But we'll catch y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all for sliding through. Appreciate y'all for showing up, man. Hanging out with us today.
Stay smooth. Stay blessed.
You say what? Stay safe, stay smooth, stay blessed. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.